Welcome back to my channel. How are you everyone? Hoping everyone is good and healthy. Good morning. It's another frosty one here in Brampton, and the blue hour is hitting just right. Grab a coffee, buckle up, and let's get this day started. We are starting off on Charolais Boulevard heading east. The roads are a little wet, but the snowbanks are holding up. You really have to appreciate the winter aesthetic when you're the only one out this early. Well, almost the only one. Okay, first essential stop, fuel and coffee. Look at these prices. Gas is currently sitting at $1.26.9/L for regular. I'm just quickly grabbing a coffee at the Tim Hortons inside. I feel like 90% of my drive is just fueled by Tim's. Back on the road, crossing Steeles Avenue. This stretch is always interesting with the bus terminals. Now we are hitting the downtown core. Look at all this construction. This is what the city's growth looks like in real time. It's a completely different vibe compared to the quiet residential area just a minute ago. Next major stop is Kennedy Road. This intersection always gets backed up. Speaking of which, how's your commute looking this morning? Let me know in the comments if you're dealing with traffic like this. And there's the big green machine. A go bus coming up behind us, probably full of commuters heading into Toronto. It's crazy how many different layers of transit we see out here. Looks like we are stuck behind a big rig from Stargate Logistic. Patience is key on a morning like this. And check out that beautiful sunrise glow starting to peek through behind all the industrial parks. Alright. We're moving again, accelerating past the red lights at Tobram. This next section is always my favorite part of the drive for the view. Look at that. The sky's turning that beautiful pink and orange. The wet roads reflecting the streetlights and the hydro towers. It's like a postcard moment. This is what makes the cold commute worth it.